With AMD Ryzen AI CPUs and AMD Radeon graphics acceleration, LM Studio 0.3 is now accessible. It has an improved user interface, is simple to set up and install, and comes fully furnished to help you get the most out of your productivity right out of the box. Through the 4H Computer Science Pathways project, Apple started working with 4H Club and Rutgers University-Newark in New Jersey in 2021. Peer mentors from high school and college assist the program in engaging youth and developing their STEM skills. The Phi 3.5 Mini Tiny model is also announced. Multilingual, the new Mo model and small model support over 20 languages. The additional languages let users interact with the model in their preferred language. C-suite confidence in delivering basic IT services wanes, according to a study conducted by IBM, while technology chief executive officers are concentrating on meeting the demands of the next generation of artificial intelligence. Leading manufacturer of small form factor PCs, graphics cards, gaming monitors, and motherboards worldwide, ASRock is pleased to announce the launch of the X600TM-ITX, the first thin micro ITX motherboard that supports AMD AM5 series CPUs. Within the Guardium range of IBM security solutions as data security software known as IBM Guardium Data Protection, the Zero Trust, contemporary approach to data security is supported by IBM Guardium Data Protection. A scaled-down version of the previously published Mistral Nemo 12B model, Mistral Nemo Minitron 8B offers excellent accuracy along with the computational efficiency to run the model on workstations, clouds, and GPU-accelerated data centers. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.